The Holi Festival, or Festival of Colors, is a fascinating cultural and religious celebration that includes much more than just throwing color dye into the air. Holi is a Hindu festival that has been celebrated since ancient times. It is a way to welcome in spring, and also is seen as a new beginning where people can release all their inhibitions and start fresh. At the Holi Festival, participants threw powder dye into the air, covering all in attendance with vibrant colors. In a religious sense, the colors are rich with symbolisms and have multiple meanings. They can mean a vibrant new life and even represent sin in a way.
The Holi festival is primarily celebrated by Hindu, honoring the victory of good over evil. It takes place in India and Nepal, in cities like Delhi, Agra, and Jaipur. And while each city may celebrate differently, you can expect to see plenty of colors, music, and dance. This festival is celebrated on the last full moon day of the lunar month of Falguna, which is generally around the end of March. During the Holi festival, people dance through the streets and throw color dye on each other. The Holi festival is a happy time when people come together as one and let go of their inhibition.
The Color Run is a 5-kilometer untimed event. At each kilometer mark, color runners are doused from head to toe in a different color powder. Participants wear white at the starting line and finish the race plastered in color. Once the race is over, the fun continues on the finish festival. A larger-than-life party equipped with music, dancing, photos, activity booths, sailors, and more massive color throws, which create millions of intense color combinations. A colorful party in which yellow, pink, blue, green, and large number of colors will fall on people in the form of dust during the day and in reflective paint at night.
Race recognized for the peculiarity of not being competitive and to celebrate the health, happiness, personality, and integration of Colombians who through the sports went out to paint each kilometer with a different color. Children, youth, and adults dressed in white occupied the streets, ran, and even danced, making stops to receive their doses of color through non-toxic powder paint without the need to compete for first place, but to share a morning full of energy which fortunately was not touched by the rain. In the end, in the finish line, the participants encountered a new festival of color, which was accompanied by music, dancing, and lots of fun.